Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make some lemonade. So go to your packet and find this, on the very last page there's a recipe for lemonade, and it's going to show that we need lemons, 6. I have them right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to need sugar. I gave you sugar in a bag, but my sugar's in this canister. And you are going to need water. You're also going to need some tools. If you have a lemon squeezer like this, or even one that you put the lemon over and you do that, grab it. If not, I'll show you how to use it without a tool. I didn't put that you're gonna need a knife, but you are gonna need a knife, so be careful. Have your parents help you if you need to. You're going to need a spoon. You're going to need a measuring cup. I gave you some white measuring cups like this. Or if you have one like this, you can use it at home. And you're going to need a pitcher for your lemonade. So, the first thing you're going to do always when we cook is we wash our hands, right? Soap in between the fingers, the back of the hands, kind of get your nails, your wrist, get everything when you're washing your hands. And I don't know where my paper towels went, so let me just get a regular towel to dry off my hands. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, and Allie is my daughter, she's my camera woman here today. You are going to get your lemons, all 7 of them. Can you get this down here so I can show them what I'm doing down here with the lemons? I want you to really sit and roll these lemons. It's going to make juicing them easier. So do that to all of your lemons. The more you do it, and the harder you push down, the juicier your lemons are going to be. And then you are going to take them and you're going to cut your lemons in half. You cut all of your lemons in half. Keep your fingers out of the way. Until you have, oops, I missed one. So you had 6 lemons, so then you should have 12 lemon halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to squeeze your lemons. You can do it into this container I gave you. You could do it into a regular coffee cup. I'm going to squeeze my lemon juice right into this thing. Now I have this lemon squeezer and I didn't send you one. Don't get your finger in there. So if you have a lemon squeezer like this, you can squeeze your lemons like this. And you see how the juice just comes right out like that. And so I'm going to squeeze all of these lemons. 2, 3, oops, that one didn't go. So there's different kinds of lemon juicers. You may have one at your house.
Tell them how to put the lemon in.
What?
Tell them how to put the lemon in.
Okay. So to put the lemon in, you stick it this way down. Not like this. It looks like it would fit like that, but then you're just going to have a mess. You always put the flat part down on this lemon squeezer. And this lemon's a little too big for this thing. Try to turn this around. It's not a very juicy lemon. Oh! Sometimes that happens. Okay. If you don't have a lemon juicer, one of the ways you can do it is you can hold your hand like this, and you could just squeeze the lemon, trying to catch, are you getting this right here? Trying to catch the seeds in your hand. So you just keep squeezing. Remember, your hands are clean, because nobody wants to eat your dirty, grubby, old, dirty hands. So keep squeezing until everything's out. If you don't have a lemon squeezer, you can still get it. You just keep squeezing that out. Just squeeze it with your hands. I'm gonna keep using this because it goes a little bit quicker if you have the tools. A little bit quicker. I miss you guys all very much. And I hope that you guys all make this delicious, refreshing treat for your families. Okay, I have 4 lemons left. I'm gonna do it just like this. My daughter's laughing at me from behind the camera. Now remember, if you don't have a lemon juicer, you can squeeze your lemons just like this. I'm gonna rinse this lemon juice off my hands before I get everything else. Dry my hands off. Now, if you've juiced your lemons without a juicer, you very well might have some seeds in your lemonade. So you kind of want to go through and just get a spoon. I don't think I got any seeds. Actually, I think one of them fell in there. You can see, oh, but I'm having a hard time getting it. Well, I have one seed in there. You want to go through and you want to get any seeds out. Maybe if I get a different spoon without holes. I could do this. Well, there's a seed in there, but I can't get it out. Anyway, you want to try to get all your seeds out. If you don't, well, it's probably not going to kill anybody. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, I've got about 1 cup. You can see right here, I've got about 1 cup of lemon juice. And what you want to do to that cup of lemon juice, can you see everything in here? You want to get a cup of sugar. Now I gave you these measuring cups, so right into the pitcher you want to add a cup of sugar. And you want to add your cup of lemon juice. I'm going to pour it over the spoon, so hopefully that seed will... Well, I just want that, I want to catch that seed. I'm pouring it kind of slow so that seed will stay at the bottom, because I know I got a seed in there. And the pulp's coming out. Oh, but I'm pouring. I'm going to leave that little seed right at the bottom of my container. Then what you're going to do is you've got to keep stirring this until all the sugar is gone. So this sugar will go into this lemon juice. And you've got to keep stirring until, for probably about a minute. If you counted to 60, it would probably be all done. My pitcher's kind of wonky on the bottom. It doesn't want to let me do it too well, so I did press and roll the lemons on the counter. We did that. Number 2, juice the lemons. We did that. Number 3, take out any seeds. That was harder than I thought it would be. Number 4, pour 1 cup of lemon juice into the pitcher. 5, pour 1 cup of sugar into the pitcher. And stir the lemon juice and the sugar for 1 minute, that's what I'm doing right now. The next thing we're going to do is add 6 cups of cold water. So we're going to add that right now. Now this, I sent you a measuring cup. It looks like this, but they're white. You can go right from the tap, cold water. We'll pull this over here, and you're going to go 1, you see your hand in that picture?
Oh.
6. We're gonna stir it all together. And then we're gonna stick it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. It's gonna get nice and cold. You can pour it over ice or you can drink it without ice, but you wanna make sure it gets nice and cold. So right now it is 12:52, almost 1 o'clock. So at 3 o'clock, when it's nice and hot outside, I can take this out and my family will have a nice refreshing cup of ice cold lemonade. Stick it in the refrigerator. And then when you're done, you need to practice. I got me some hot soapy water right here. We're gonna practice doing all of these dishes. Okay, guys, send me pictures of your lemonade. Talk to you later. Bye.
Wait. I wasn't videoing.
Tell me you're lying. Did you turn it off?
No. Just kidding.
Here.